welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about match case statements in Python. So without wasting the time, let's hop into the match case statements. So what are match case statements, you may ask? Let's write the program. Let's start writing the program at first, then only you can understand. Without writing programs you can understand. Let's start. So match case statements. So this is like related to the if else only. You have previously learned about conditioners in the latest video only. So we write, as because we are writing age program, we will write input what's your age. So as the name starts with match, so we will write match because this is the match only. Okay, so age, the variable now we are dealing with for the input, we will write the variable. So here is age, we will write age. Now this is a case one, type of switch case statement. You can say like it's in C, C++, Java, but here it's known as match case statements. So if the age is 1, so we will write case 1. We will write print, not pass, print you can vote. Okay, now if the age is 2, means case 2, or we can give 8, print can vote. Like this, sorry guys, can vote. Now another one is there, if case, means case if age, now this is like the conditionals you have to apply. If age is lesser than 18, print you can vote. So the previous statements will be nothing. If we write this is not required only. Now we will write if case if age is lesser than 18, sorry, greater than equals 18, and age is lesser than 120, print you can vote. Now if the case is, if age is greater than 120, we print you can not invalidate. I don't know how much a person are right, more than 120 I guess. Let's run this program. So let's write as 5. Okay, so you can vote, it's correct. Then we can write the condition 18, you can vote. So program is correct. 121. Acha, one thing I just thought, 120 it will do nothing, so I have to do like this, equals 120. Let's run it now. 120, you can vote. Okay guys, thank you guys. So this is for the tutorial of math case statements. Thank you guys, bye.